हाँ, हरे कृष्णा। तो मैं आपको ना ब्रॉडकास्ट ग्रुप बना के दिखाती हूँ कि हाउ यू कैन सेंड सिंपली वन मैसेज। सो हेयर यहाँ पे यू कैन सी 3 डॉट्स एंड क्लिक हेयर न्यू देयर इज़ अ न्यू ग्रुप, बट हमें न्यू ब्रॉडकास्ट बनाना है। सो ओह गॉड, देयर आर द 3 लिंक्स। क्लिक हेयर and click on the new broadcast, second option. Click here and here new broadcast. You have to search the names. So for example, I have my Gaurangis group, so I write down Gaura. So here you can see all Gaura's list is here. So I click here. So basically I have to go, not Gaura, I have to search here. See, all my Gaurangis are here. Gaura, Saroj, Bansal, Ashna Mataji, Archana Maheshwari, Gaura, Gaura, Gaura. Without thinking, I simply Gaura, 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 Vaishali, Gaurangi. So these are my Gaurangis. Okay, so I click here. So my new group is formed, 15 recipients. And here I have to name this group, otherwise this broadcast will go away. So change broadcast list name. So just write down latest or whatever you want to write down, latest broadcast group, whatever you want to write down. Click on OK. So this is your latest broadcast group. So here you can write down Hare Krishna, gentle reminder for Asit Prabhuji's class at 4 p.m. Please don't miss. So here I simply said click and only one message goes here. You can see. Now I will show you the message. Gaura. See, can you see? Hare Krishna, gentle reminder, gentle reminder, gentle reminder, gentle reminder, gentle reminder. So how can you see? This is the this is the loudspeaker sign. Here you can see. Now next time, for example, this your group is archived. How to find out where is the broadcast group? So here you just remember broadcast. Generally I write down my broadcast groups with broadcast, latest broadcast, PGH broadcast, Gaurangi broadcast, broadcast Friday class. So this is my latest broadcast group. Here you can see this won't go away if you don't